Hello, my name is Nico Galenzoga and this is CS50. I'll be introducing you to my CS50P final project, a Python program called Food Inventory Management. This program is used to manage food inventory in a household. It can track expiry dates to prevent food wastage, and you can check the food items for like planning meals and ingredients for cooking meals. You can also export it as a PDF for printing or just for reference. So let's try it running in the command line interface. We are now at the main menu splash screen. You can see that we can create a new inventory or we can manage the pre-made existing inventories. By creating a new inventory, you can add your own items there and specifying and you can specify the expiry dates and the quantities of those items. Let's type number 2 to select the manage existing inventories. I have pre-made inventory list here, so we can check it. As you can see, I typed number 5 and pressed enter to select the refrigerator inventory. So we have food items here sorted by expiry dates, and we have items other items here as well. The options are presented below. You can type the letters respective letters to add or remove items or even delete the inventory. We can also export it as PDF as well. For more information, you can check my GitHub Repository, and you can download the program there, and so you can try it for yourself. Thank you, and this was CS50.